Exterior. The aerodynamic design with unique lines and curves gives a young and vibrant look, while the headlamps in a bold design instantly grab your attention. The aesthetically designed door panels and irresistible stylish back accentuated the richness of the sharp design, as well as give the car a lively appearance. Interior. The all-new Alto is a highly efficient performance car that makes your daily outings a pleasant experience. Spacious cabin, MP5 touchscreen, storage accessories ensure complete comfort for you and for your family. All-new Alto 660 cubic centimeters is inbuilt with safety features such as seat belts, ABS brakes, and airbags, making it a perfect choice for new generation. Performance. All-new Alto 660 cubic centimeters is equipped with R-Series engine. It's a 3-cylinder petrol engine. Whether you're driving through streets full of traffic or cruising up the highway, this highly fuel-efficient engine provides you with the power, reliability, fuel economy, and control you need. Specification. Dimensions. Engine. Transmission. Suspension. Capacity. Key features. Power windows. 4x doors power windows with delightful switch. Dual SRS airbags. When the sensor detects more than a certain impact, the airbag is instantly deployed. Together with the effects of the seat belt, it reduces the impact of the head and chest of front occupants. Anti-lock braking system with EBD. During sudden braking on slippery surfaces, 4-wheel ABS is activated. It prevents tire lock, stabilizes the car body, and helps handle obstacles by steering. Furthermore, it is equipped with EBD, electronically controlled braking force distribution system, that automatically helps maintain control by sending the optimum amount of force to the front the rear wheels. Immobilizer. When the immobilizer engine is started, the ID code on the portable remote control side and the vehicle side is electronically authenticated. The engine will not start if there is no match, and the immobilizer will effectively suppress vehicle theft. Maneuverability. With its tight turning circle, the all-new Alto is capable of working through streets with immense ease. Spaciousness. The interior of the all-new Alto is designed for comfort and convenience. Whether you're driving in the town or going for a long drive, you'll be pleased to recline and relax in the spacious interior of the car. MP5 touchscreen. The dashboard panel has an integrated media player with a touchscreen that you can conveniently use while driving. It has screen mirroring option, Bluetooth calling, auxiliary cable, and USB support functions. Auto gear shift, AGS. Auto gear shift, convenience of an automatic, performance and fuel economy of a manual. Auto gear shift feature offers fuel-efficient and dual-mode compatibility with user-friendly experience. Instrument panel information. Instrument panel indicates low fuel warning lamp, accessory socket, door ajar warning light, side louve accent, glove box lid, IP center under tray, dial type climate controls. Retractable side mirrors with side turn lamp. Retractable side mirrors controllable from inside the car. The side turn lamp enhances vehicle visibility during turns. Boot space. The lamps are located in the rear bumper, just below the back door. The back door opens, leaving maximum width, allowing ease of loading and unloading. A luggage underbox offers storage space for umbrellas and other objects. Central door locking. A smart keyless entry system is an electronic lock controller. Right front seat belt pretensionate dual. Tightens the belt during a collision, helping to secure the occupant and reduce injury. Isofix lower anchor. The Isofix lower anchor provides a secure and easy attachment point for compatible child safety seats. Fasten seatbelt indicator, lamp plus buzzer. Back door garnish. Accessories. Rear upper spoiler. More than an accessory for outlook, the rear upper spoiler enhances the airflow over the vehicle. Steering wheel cover. The all-new Alto offers an exquisitely designed steering wheel cover that enhances the overall look of the interior. Seat cover. The exquisite seat covers of the all-new Alto 660cc give the interior an elegant feel. The colors of the seats perfectly harmonize with other aspects of the vehicle. Spare tire kit. Your spare tire kit is set to assist you whenever you need to replace the wheel of the vehicle. Prices. Alto VXR. PKR 2,994,861. Alto VXR AGS. PKR 3,166,480. Alto VXL AGS. PKR 3,326,446. If you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel, like, and comments for new videos. Thank you for watching.